Okay, Papa, again, this is the second video on cobbler making. In the first video, we browned the apples, or stirred the apples in with sugar, and we made the biscuit dough mix with sugar, and we heated the top frying pan up really good, and then put it on top. You didn't see it, but about halfway through the process, I flipped these pans. The one that was on the bottom became on top. And then I let that heat up for a while, and I've turned off the heat. Let's see what we got. There she blows. Kind of fogging us up, but that's some good looking cobbler. Look at that. Oh man, I'm gonna like eating that too. Yummy. So there's our 2-pan cobbler made on a 1-burner Coleman stove with 2 10-inch cast iron frying pans. And I guarantee it's going to taste good, and me and Grammy are going to love it. Okay, Papa out.